So here we have the file PackA.c, which has the routines in it that we used to pack a block of A into this buffer A tilde. Now let's first start by saving this into the file empty for multi-threaded PackA.c. And next what we want to do is include the header file for OpenMP. Right. Now the way we set things up was to have a routine that packs a micropanel and then a routine that loops over all of the micropanels, packing them one at a time. Now while there are loops in the routine that packs a micropanel, if we parallelize those, we would end up parallelizing at a pretty fine granularity. We probably don't want to do that. So we probably want to parallelize this loop in the routine that loops over all of the micropanels. So we could throw in a pragma statement parallelizing this for loop. And what would that do? Well, it would make different threads pack different micropanels. And you probably went ahead and tried this already. And what you noticed is that you got the wrong answer. And what went wrong? Well, notice that all of the threads start by packing into the first part of A tilde. So now individual micropanels that are different micropanels are being packed all into the same part of A tilde. And then they all move on to pack a next micropanel, but they all move on to packing that into the same next micropanel in A tilde. So what we want to do is change this for loop so that in the ith iteration you pack into the ith part of A tilde. And then you want to get rid of that. And this would also be a correct sequential implementation. But now, as different threads pick up different iterations, they actually end up packing the correct data into the correct part of A tilde. So go and see if this actually solved the problem.